Well, welcome to Joan's Room, and specifically my home, and even more specific, my kitchen. I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to make limoncello. Now, the first thing you're going to need, the most important ingredient, are good lemons. I don't know where in the U.S. you'd find lemons this size, but you need the lemons that have a wonderful thick rind, because you're going to use the outer part, the zest, to make limoncello. You are going to take your potato peeler and you're going to peel 8 of those lemons, the zest you made of those lemons, and you're going to put them in a jar with a liter of alcohol. That's a liter of grain alcohol. All right? Now, depending on the lemon, when you have really, really good lemons, in about 6 or 7 days of them soaking in this container in a dark place, not a hot place, 6 or 7 days of soaking should take all the yellow out of the zest and turn your alcohol into a wonderful, very yellow, just like this. I've kind of gotten ahead of things here, but what I did was soak the lemon zest for 7 days. I took that lemon zest out this morning, and all we have left is the liter of alcohol, now very yellow colored. Now, the next step is to boil together water and sugar, a liter of water, a kilo of sugar, which is about 5 cups. And at the end of that, and I've already done that, I'm not going to make you stay here while I boil water. So at the end of that, what you do, you take your zest infused alcohol, pour it into the sugar and water combination, do some stirring. I hope you can hear me over this. You do some stirring, and then when you're ready, you take this. Remember, you've got a liter of alcohol, a liter of water, a kilo, as I say, 5 or so cups of sugar. Then you pour that into, pardon for the size of the pan here, you pour that into one of your jars. I think I need to move up a little more. And you fill a liter bottle this way. Actually, you're going to have enough for about 2.5 liters. So what you do, after you've made your 2.5 bottles, you're going to put one of these in the refrigerator, and then a couple hours before you serve it to company, put it in the freezer. And along with that, by the way, it won't freeze, there's too much alcohol content. So, you may want to buy a special shaped bottle, fill that, and give it to some friends. You may want to have a beautiful container like this, into which you can put your limoncello and serve your friends at dinner. And what I do, I also take my glasses. There's many kinds of little glasses in which you can serve limoncello. I take those and I put them in my freezer as well, maybe half an hour before you're actually going to serve the limoncello. So ladies and gentlemen, you need the zest of 8 lemons, a liter of water, a liter of grain alcohol, and a kilo, which is about 5 cups of sugar. I've given you the steps. It really doesn't take that long at all to make the final product. So all I can say is enjoy your hard work and cheers.